Welcome back to TTube. There's another episode of The Simpsons up in just a moment, but first, Ham Sandwich released their third album, Stories from the Surface, in April, and it went straight in at #1.
And we feel very lucky to say that they are joining us right now in studio to perform a very exclusive song, and you can go and see them live on the 29th of May in the Olympia. Take it away, guys.
1, 2. He delivers a line in perfect rhymes when you call him up. Doesn't matter what you say, you know he'll tear your heart right out. Can you tell me why I put my eyes on someone else? And you tell me in two simple lines. Sleeping, and that's where I'll keep it. Away from the lives we loved, I know we'll be reminded before long. Away from just wave us on. The past can't help but find us when we're gone.
We're moving away from it, just trying to make sense of
Our love is not awake, ringing through our bones as the spaces grow. Our love is not awake, keep connecting what was wrong in